have here is a failure to navigate.
You ran right into the door.
Right now it's like, Josh is my buddy. Here, cut me off this cold.
Redbird Whisperer. You know of no other men like me. I come from a long Irish line of liners.
I cannot believe you got a red bird.
Got a redwood.
That is so cool. I'm gonna laugh if it jumps on you.
And get some sun.
Get some bird food right there.
Go get some bird food.
He's so cute.